Good afternoon, everybody. It's right time. I'm here, and everybody gather here in Haifa. We talk about the blue economy. I think that is the right moment. Okay, first I will introduce ourselves. So we are from the CCCC group, which is a global infrastructure group and built by CHEC and the CRBC in the 2005. And now CCCC group ranked 60th in 2022, so in the Fortune 500. Sorry. Maybe I need this. So in the ENR list 2022, we are in the top 250 international contractors. CCC Group ranked number 3. In the last year, CCC signed a $34 billion of worth of the construction project in the globally. So next section, I will give some introduction of the international brands belong to our group. From the top to down is the PMEC, which is produce the port machinery for the worldwide, and the China Road and Bridge, and the China Harbor, which is my company, and some design company in US and also Australia, John Holland Australia company, and Brazil and Portugal. So in Israel, we call it PMEC. We registered PMEC since 2012. And a little bit about CHEC. China Harbor Company, we established in the 1980s. We are a one-stop shop for infrastructure field and offer a full scope of service in all the field of infrastructure. We have 15,000 employees all over the world, and we have active work in over 100 countries. So China Harbor focused on the infrastructure development, especially marine infrastructure, and including artificial islands, offshore facilities, energy infrastructure, land transportation, and the marine transportation as well. We come to talk about the Israel activity. Since 2012, China Harbor established PMEC in the October 2012, which became a CCC Group's hub in this region. And we signed contract in the Hadron Port, Ashdod. So since 2014. And this Hadron port in the Ashdod we complete in the 7 years, which is 1 year ahead of schedule. This is, we think, the very successful project, and to give a good contribution to the Israel economy. Since in the 2015, until now, we are established a fully integrated Israeli-Chinese professional management team to lead our cooperation. Another milestone year is 2019. We have acquisition and operation of the Alon Tavo power plant, and also Q21 and the Green Conveyor project in Ashdod port. So PMEC now has established Alon Tavo operation together with our partners to perform the power plant and also develop second phase of Alon Tavo, and which is additional capacity of 230 megawatts, so which will reach the total 850 megawatts until next year. Okay, next section, some selected project in the world. The first project is Ashdod Port. This picture shows in the 2021, which is delivered to the government. And this is since 2015, how we start. And we sent the vessel, all the platform and the construction vessel to Israel. And we start to build all the in the new land. And also extension, the main breakwater, which is we focus on the environmental issue is regarding the turbidity monitoring and also air concern for the turbidity control, and also oil leaking protection and soundproof covering. All these measures will improve, limited us and to meet the high standard of the quality of the environmental. The second one is a new port in Haifa, which is here. The CCC group, we are provide the design for the port facility and also automatic operation of the operation system, including electricity truck and shore power system and a fully controlled rainwater drainage system. Come to the Alon Tova power plant, where after we bought the power plant, we replaced the old facility, established a new monitoring station, 3 new monitoring stations to control the emission to the air. And also the facility including the water treatment, which is called the Davroa water treatment site. Another one is the green conveyor project in Ashdod, which is featured in dust control system. The efficiency improvement of change the delivery of the grain by trucks, change to the green conveyor. The globally ocean infrastructure. The first one is in Hong Kong. Hong Kong, this is called Integrated Waste Management Facility, which is now we are almost finished all the works in the sea, and now is waiting for the installation of the installation of the equipment. Which one we design, construction, operation, and maintenance this facility, including 160 dunam artificial island in southwest of the Hong Kong, and also including the municipality solid waste treatment, wastewater treatment, desalination treatment. The special thing about this artificial island to provide this facility, it's with a special method called deep cement mixing. So by this method, we make this foundation is more stable and also minimum the impaction to the seabed, to the environmental. Also, we have including the fisheries enhancement program, zero wastewater discharge. Those pictures reflect all the environmental protection when we do this project, including we are doing the survey to the coral, sea eagle monitoring, and dolphin monitoring. And we built marine parks, especially to make the new habitat for the sea life and sea animals and also the wildlife. Port City Colombo, that's the new project in the Sri Lanka Colombo's Port City extension of the CBD area. Make it a big area and which to provide environmental friendly residential and business area, which is will provide 200,000 population to live and working there. This is become also a bounded area. LNG terminal in the Shenzhen Bay Area, which is we built the LNG terminal and also the chemical tanks. But this project is so oriental, environmental friendly, and so you can see the whales spotted in the Bay Area, that which is in 2022. So this is sea turtle protection. We are building sea turtle breeding center in the Ghana when we built the port. Dubai project, how we protected the mangroves and corals lagoons, and Pelagiska Bridge in Croatia, and the Shanghai College Lifestyle Project, which is 45 kilometers along with the Huangpu River. So close to this presentation, I want to talk about how the CCCC, now we are the infrastructure group, how we integrate us to this trend of the blue economy. First of all, in the infrastructure, how we are building, limit ourselves to the high standard in terms of the environmental issues. And secondly, we embracing the innovation and the new technology in all this perspective, and look forward to international cooperations and improve all the aspects, which is including the opportunities in the following areas, like port automation and offshore floating technology, deep sea aquaculture, and floating wind farm, and also hydrogen technology. And the last is coastal preservation technology. So all the areas related to the ocean and the blue economy, this is we welcome the new technology. We want to work with all the partners from Israel and from global. Thank you so much.